All right, we're cruising along. We're at page 23 of Strictly Strings, Book 1, and learning left-hand pizzicato and fourth finger A on the D string. So now we're going to have the fourth finger and we're going to be doing pizzicato with our left hand. So the little plus marks mean left-hand pizzicato. So you can try that out with the fourth finger, or your third finger, or your second finger. Now, we're going to play with the metronome at 82.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Now,
1, 2, 3, 1.
we're going to play the fourth finger. So as you do this, notice that you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to leave all our fingers down. You're going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to play the open string with all our fingers down. So let's give this a try. We'll do it on a slow bacata. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your pens ready. Don't take your fingers off. Repeat. Okay, the next exercise is number 3, and this is called broken thirds. And we're going to lift, so you got quarter notes and then a dotted half note and a rest with the lift sign over it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, number 3. And lift. 1 and 2 and 3 and lift. One and 2 and 3 next, number 4 is scale degrees. So we've got intervals. The distance between two notes is called an interval. I should have done this vocabulary at the beginning. Interval, the distance between two notes. For example, 2 second is the first and second scale notes. Third is the first and third scale notes. So the first and second scale notes, that's a second. Third is, and the fourth is first and fourth scale notes, etc. An octave is the first and eighth scale note. Notice that they sound the same. They're an octave apart. They're the same alphabetic note. I played a D and then a D an octave higher. So now we're going to do number 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Repeat. London Bridge. Next nursery time. Nursery tune. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slur, slur, slur. Rest. Hold on to the very end. Play the rest. Next song is Lightly Row. It is moderato. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next, you put in the time, number 7, put in time signatures and bar lines. So take a close look at this and see where you think you'd put the bar lines in and what would be the key, the time signature. So we've got you've got a half note and then a quarter note and a quarter rest. Then a quarter rest and a quarter note, quarter rest, and a half note. Then a quarter rest, then a half note, then a quarter note, and a dotted quarter half note, and a quarter rest. So it might be good to go backwards. So look at where the 4 beats are. We got a dotted half note, so that's 3 beats, and we've got a quarter rest right after that. So that would be 4 beats. And you place the bar line between the quarter note and the dotted half note. Count back 1 quarter note, a half note, 2 beats, and another quarter rest. That's 4. Put your bar line there. Then you've got a half note, quarter rest, and a quarter note. Put the bar line there, and half note, and a quarter rest, and a quarter note. Put the bar line there. Now when looking at the next one, so that would be 4/4. The next one must be 3/4, but we put the bar lines in. You got a quarter note, a half note and a quarter note and bar line, a quarter rest, 2 quarter notes, bar line, dotted quarter, dotted half, bar line, quarter, quarter, dotted, quarter note, rest, quarter rest. I'm getting all tongue-tied. So that is putting the bar lines and everything. If you like this video, then comment, like, subscribe, share, and the next lesson is going to be right up there. This is Strictly Strings for Beginners.